Hello, welcome to another one of my videos about error coins. This time we are looking at a 1967 UK sixpence, which has an obvious piece missing here. So what's going on? So this is basically what we call a clipped coin, and this happens because the coin has been struck on a blank which was clipped. A circular piece was clipped off it. So how does that happen? Well, when the blanks are made, a sheet of metal is fed through a machine, a blanking press it's called, and it has these punches which basically punch circular shapes out of that strip. So it's a bit like a cookie cutter. But to save time and increase the throughput, these blanking presses don't just make one hole at a time. They have an arrangement of punches, so there may be 20 or so individual punches which go through that sheet at exactly the same time, and then the metal strip advances through the machine, and then it goes ka-chonk, and then 20 or so more circular pieces are struck out. So what happens here is a punch can end up, if say the sheet isn't fed through enough, you will end up with a punch striking an area of the strip which overlaps a hole left by a previous strike. So that ends up producing a blank with a curved clip in it. And so when a coin like this is struck on a curved clipped blank, sometimes, but not always, the rim opposite the coin also shows some slight distortion and loss of detail. So you can just about make out on this edge here, the rim doesn't quite go all the way up, and on the other side here you can also see there's a slight weakness to the detail there. So that's often a good indication that this is a genuine clipped coin error, as opposed to a coin where someone has just dremeled the edge off. Of course, the other way of knowing for sure is to actually look at that edge and see if there's any telltale signs of machine work on there. But this is a genuine clipped coin with a curved clip, and so that's the kind of edge you would expect to see on that. The weakness here is caused by something which is called the Blakesley Effect. So as the dies come down on the coin to strike it, or on the blank rather, to strike it and turn it into a coin, naturally, because there's a void here where the clip is, the metal wants to flow that way, and that's what causes the subtraction over here. So that's kind of cool. So it's not surprising that there are a few errors out there on old pre-decimal coins like this, because believe it or not, they made over 240 million of these sixpences that year. So yeah, there's going to be a few that go wrong, and this should weigh 2.83 grams, but because it's struck on a clipped blank, you'd expect it to be slightly lighter. So let's see what it does actually weigh. So 2.73 grams, so it's approximately 0.1 grams lighter. But back then you could probably have still spent it as a sixpence, but nowadays I would dare say that that's worth more than 6p as an error. Cool. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'd love to see what you thought about this in the comments section. Have you ever found a coin like this? Because you can also find decimal coins that have errors like this. And don't forget to check out my other error videos if this sort of thing floats your boat, because there's plenty more like this. But for now, see ya and bye. See you next time. Hang on, I messed up that outro, didn't I? Yeah, well, you know what I mean. I do all these videos in a single take without any kind of preparation. I don't voice over it afterwards, so yeah. Bye.